to my channel. This week's video is gonna be a what I eat in a week as a pescatarian in Alicante, Spain. I love food so much, so if I get to make a video about food, even better. I have a few good meals planned for this week. I'm quite excited to get cooking because we've been eating out a lot because we were apartment hunting and stuff. We did a big grocery haul, so now we can cook our favorite meals. All the same ones we used to make at home, but better ingredients and fresher veggies and fruit and stuff, so I'm excited. So tonight's dinner is salmon teriyaki, rice, I'm gonna egg fry it, and veggies. All I have at the moment is onions, literally a few shreds of spinach, chili, mushroom. She's sizzling. That was a marinade of soy sauce, sweetener, miso paste, garlic, chili. I think that's it. So I finished. I really needed certain nutrients, so I tried to put them all in the one dish. So today we did grocery shopping and got these mochi pistachio ice cream. So I'm gonna taste test them. This is my dessert. A horrible angle.
I'm always fat when I say that.
Ooh, I'm excited. Hang on. Oh my god! Cheers. That's good.
That's pretty good, yeah.
A friend of mine said the mango is the best. This is good. Approved. What would you rate it?
Yeah, I really like that. I mean, I love pistachio ice cream. It's my favorite.
Hell yeah. For breakfast, I just had what I have every day. It's bread, peanut butter, banana. I had a bit of mango and a coffee. I'll insert a picture. Nothing too fancy. So Af didn't want a big dinner, so she decided to have tostada. So it's just tomatoes, herb, olive oil, and like a garlic spread. And it's a vegan one. Get it all in there.
That's good. Crispy bread.
As good as the restaurants. Yeah, that's what I thought. Tomatoes here are kind of unmatched. They're so good. Yup. Morning. It's the next morning. I'm not awake yet. What I'm about to have is granola with oat milk, a Starbucks frappuccino, an ensaimada, and some raspberries. Today is 32 degrees compared to it's usually 28. So I'm gonna lather myself in sun cream. No regrets. I like a croissant and like icing sugar or something, I don't know. So for dinner, for breakfast, has French toast, homemade raspberry compote, and Greek yogurt.
Yes.
You excited?
I'm so excited.
Oh yeah. What's in your compote?
The raspberry, cinnamon, vanilla extract, and agave syrup.
So today we haven't eaten anything, but we're drinking strawberry daiquiris.
Like that's unmatched.
Is that good? Is that the best one then?
I think that's the best one since
Really?
Jamaica. Yeah.
Really? She's comparing these to Jamaican strawberry daiquiris, so they must be good.
Holy shit.
Hell yeah. We're on an island, by the way, but
Island.
more about that in another vlog. So, I got sunburned today. Can't see as much in this white light. There's a reason I'm here. But basically, came home, took forever to make dinner because the electricity kept cutting out. I've had roasted cauliflower with like barbecue and paprika and different flavorings. But I'm having something different, so I tried to make my own like patatas bravas, kind of, and like a little side salad and just some fish fingers. She looks good as hell. Alioli, garlic spread, some cooked tomatoes and seasonings, my potatoes, seasoned fish fingers, salad, yeah! So I'm about to taste test my potatoes. Wow, I outdid myself. This could become a regular. That is, it's very special. Good morning. We were just woken up really early because our landlord had to come check our shower, so that was kind of rough. I had breakfast. It's a regular one for me. Whole grain sourdough, and I put peanut butter, banana, cinnamon, and we finally got coffee bags to make us coffees. So that's what I'm going to have. You're gonna have an omelette, right? Yeah. Nice. So a few hours later, here's the omelette. It's actually for lunch, not for breakfast. What's in it?
Just tomatoes and cheese.
Tomatoes and cheese?
Yep.
No mushrooms?
No, there's too much going on. I just wanted to have some tomatoes and cheese.
I'm just gonna have some leftover egg fried rice for lunch. You don't look satisfied. What's going on? Our omelette is not cooked. Back to the drawing board. So you recooked it and put some hot sauce on it and it's better now? My lunch is quite boring. Literally just leftover fried rice, cheese and crackers, and some freshly squeezed orange juice. Leftover rice is always nice. I don't know why. So I just got hungry, wanted a snack, and I went for these. They're honey roasted peanuts. Like, I've never tried honey roasted. I've tried like dry roasted and stuff, but these are so good. Okay, so I wouldn't count this as a meal, but I'm feeling quite weak right now. Pretty sure I'm like anemic. So I'm gonna take an iron tablet. My mom gave me these before I left. I think my body is yelling for this right now. I'm actually quite worried about tablets, so this isn't gonna be good, huh? It's fat. It was massive. Ew. Anyway, I'm gonna make pasta for dinner. I haven't had Italian in a while, and I'm thinking homemade sauce, tomato, maybe a bit of feta, because I have been making feta pasta ever since it came out on TikTok. It hasn't gone away from me. It wasn't a trend for me. It's that good. And I do have some vegan chorizo. Weird combo, but it's good. This is all the ingredients. We have chopped tomatoes, olive oil, feta, vegan chorizo, pasta, cherry tomatoes, and chili and garlic. And then I have my spices behind there. So I'm gonna chop the chorizo into little bits, because I don't want that much. I don't want it to overpower anything. You can't see my head. The top of the cupboards is right here. But you can listen. We're all dark. I look like a hunchback though. It looks like pudding, you know, like black pudding or white pudding or something. Now I'm just gonna chop chili. This chili isn't actually that spicy. Even the woman at the market said it wasn't gonna be. But it tastes really good, you know, the flavour of chili. And kind of like a pepper. Can I squat? I need a little chair. I just said I would film my cooking today. I haven't done it yet. I usually just show the finished product, but this is a dish that I'm used to making. I make it a lot. Alright, and now just some garlic. Oh, the water's boiling. You hear that? Ooh. I always get splashed. And I got these massive size fusilli. They're quite large. I'm gonna mix them in with the farfalle. And I'm only mixing because there's not enough of each. So. I always overdo it on the pasta. Okay, so it's like 30 degrees and I'm cooking. My face is going to be very red. The pasta is on. I'm also only making it for myself. I don't know why me and Africa haven't been having the same meals recently. Like, we're always in the opposite mood. We don't want to eat the same things. I want a pasta. She wants broccoli and tofu, so she's going to cook that. So I'm going to start the sauce. Olive oil. The tomatoes take the longest. I'm just gonna throw a few on and then use my tin. I said in my last video that me and Africa are pescatarian, and we decided to go pescatarian at the end of 2019. But most of the dinners we have are just vegetarian. We'd only have fish like once a week. I've had it twice already, but I think it's because I'm in Spain. I want to have it more. Quarantine really helped us to like actually start enjoying our food and finding new recipes, different cuisines. I've gotten into so many different types of foods, started eating so many other vegetables that I would have never touched. Like, my friends know I don't eat veggies. It's not to be positive. So the pasta is cooking and the sauce is cooking. So that's the tomatoes, the chorizo, the chopped tomatoes, garlic, chili, and the feta block, which is going to melt into it. I look like the tomatoes in that pot. I'm also sunburned from the island yesterday, but cooking in an already hot country, it's like 30 degrees. I'm gonna look like a tomato. Pasta's in and the spices are in. I just need to mix it around. She looks and smells so good. This is kind of hard to do one-handed. I need to stir this properly. I think I got the pasta and sauce ratio pretty spot on. Africa's gonna taste test a little bit with me. I'm gonna have to squat a bit. Come down here. Good.
Really good.
Yay.
You're gonna eat all that by yourself.
Yep. Yep. Start eating your broccoli. Here's Af's lovely luscious dinner. Yeah, there's a match on outside, so it's a bit loud. What's on the broccoli?
Cumin, turmeric, oil, garlic. And I just put a bit of sweet chilli to sweeten.
Nice. Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
So it's night time now. Waiting for Love Island to come on. Why is that so good for an off-brand one as well? Good morning. I look like a mess, so I'm not gonna show myself. This is all I'm having for breakfast today. I'm not that hungry, and I also think we might be having like pancakes for brunch. I've made pancakes. They're just like cinnamon, turmeric, healthy pancakes with some yogurt and raspberry compote. So tonight's dinner is something easy. It's a veggie burger, chips, a side salad. You've already eaten your burger. Was it nice?
It's unbelievable. Meaty, juicy.
Meat-like.
Succulent.
We love when a veggie burger confuses me and makes me think it's meat because
Yeah,
it's that similar and it's that good.
I panicked for a hot second.
Yeah.
I was like halfway into it.
That sweet chili sauce is very good. Have you tried it? Dip. So on my burger, I put salad, cheese, salsa, garlic mayo. That's it.
Isn't that good?
Yeah.
That's like amazing. Mercadona got it going on.
Spain knows how to do burgers, especially veggie burgers.
Stop.
Can't beat an iced tea either. We've been drinking so much of this.
Yeah.
That dinner was sublime. Another mochi ice cream, the last one.
My face is so salty.
We swam. We're getting more of these. 2 boxes. Wow.
Wow.
Wow. Today is Friday and this is Friday's breakfast. It's literally just a fruit platter and a pastry. Just felt like I needed some nutrients. We're about to watch Love Island because we missed it last night. I'm intrigued about this mango because it's not looking promising. Last week I got a mango accidentally for €6, but it was the best mango I've ever had in my life. So now every other mango is just gonna fall short. We decided to go for a naughty lunch. Well, it's actually quite late. Vegan popcorn chicken things, and this is patatas ravioli. It's like cereal on the outside. Tonight's dinner is tacos, tempeh tacos, in a salsa, and soft corn tortillas. How was it?
So good. Very tasty.
I made guac and I made some salsa, some pico de gallo type of thing. This is regular dinner for us. Usually not with tempeh. We tried it at a market and now we love it. Actually more of a burrito because I didn't want it to fall apart. Oh. Good morning. Oh God, my voice. It's actually midday, so it's not the earliest of mornings, but I'm having my regular whole wheat, sourdough, banana, cinnamon, peanut butter. Alright, dinner tonight is a Caesar salad, of course vegan, well it's vegetarian. So we got a vegetarian chicken breast breaded. We made croutons by like grilling some bread with some olive oil. Got onions, tomatoes, bit of cheese and salad and Caesar dressing. Is it good? Yeah. Vegetarian meat makes me really excited.
I'm so excited.
I'm so excited, as I say every time I sit down. That was a mouthful. This is good. We're really popping off with these meals lately.
Yeah.
This has been a good week of meals, I won't lie. Sometimes it's not as put together. Good morning. As you probably noticed, this is where I sit every morning. And this is the last morning. I look like dead. I woke up kind of late, so I'm just having fun. I need to wake up. I'm just having avocado toast on sour bread with tomato, feta, olive oil, chia seeds, and you know, salt, pepper, garlic, paprika type of thing. And that's my iced coffee that I left in the freezer too long and it's actually a bit frozen. I haven't had avocado toast in so long. Really can't go wrong with avocado toast. And I love adding feta. I've spoken about this before, but ever since the feta craze, the feta pasta craze on TikTok, it's made me put it in a lot more recipes. I didn't really like feta, and now I've adjusted it and I love it. We couldn't find coffee bags for ages, so we couldn't make it at home. Final meal of the week, because Italy won, we're having pizza.
Yeah.
Sushi and pizza, what a combo. Is it good?
Yumma.
Guys, that was what that was what I ate in a week. Yeah, that was what I ate in a week. Thanks for chiming in and watching. I don't know if that was like a good video or not. It feels very thrown together, but I did my best. We actually didn't eat out all week except for that one lunch. Oh yeah, we did. We ate sushi yesterday, but that was just because I hadn't eaten dinner and there was food there. So I had to eat. I was hungry. Tune in for the next vid. Who fucking knows what it's gonna be. Alright. Have a happy week. Bye. You wanna say bye?
Bye.
Bye.